Hi there, this is Mehdi and you are welcome to a new tutorial. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create RTL WordPress website with WordPress free plugin. But before we jump into the main tutorial, if you visit my YouTube channel WP Handy, then you will find lots of helpful WordPress tutorials like how to create classified listing website, e-commerce website, Elementor guide, and basic WordPress as well. So if you want to learn WordPress, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Then let's begin. So go to the website and you can see this is a classified listing website and currently it shows like left to right, but I want to convert this website from left to right to right to left. That means I want to make it RTL. And it's super simple. So very fast I have to go to the admin dashboard and just scroll down, then settings, hover on it, click over here general, great, and scroll down and check. You can see this is the site language, English United States. WordPress default language is English, like you can see English United States. If you click over here this down arrow, then you will see all available languages are showing here. Just you have to select your language. Just I want to select it, Arabic, then the scroll down, then the save changes. Great, you can see it has been worked perfectly. Now go to the website and check it. Just visit the website. Yes, you can see the website direction has been changed. Really, it's awesome. Now you can see it right to left. Okay, now if you want to translate English string from like English to Arabic or in your language, then you can do it with a local translate plugin. Already I have published a tutorial about it. If you go to my YouTube channel WP Handy, then check just playlist, then check this playlist like WordPress for beginners. Just click over here and this is the tutorial. Just scroll down and check. This is the how to translate WordPress theme and plugin using local translate plugin. Don't worry, I have given the video link in this video description. So again, I want to just give a recap. You have to change the site language from here, then you have to translate with the local translate plugin, and I have given the video link in this video description how to translate your WordPress website with a local translate plugin. Thanks for watching the video.